Today we are going to show you how to make one of my favorite Cheesecake Factory appetizers, Korean fried cauliflower. In this video we show you how to make the perfect batter to get the cauliflower golden brown and crispy. And we also show you how to make this awesome soy sauce to give the cauliflower the perfect kick. Enjoy and let's go! For this recipe we use a mid-sized cauliflower head. We take all the leaves off and then we cut it in half. And then we quarter it. This way I have easy access to the stem. We cut that out. And then we just break apart the cauliflower with your hands so you get nice individual florets. By the way, there's no need to season the cauliflower. All the required seasoning is going to be either in the batter or in the soy sauce. Speaking of batter, that's going to be our next step. We pour 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in a bowl. Then we add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of paprika. We also add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. And you mix everything together and then you slowly add some water, a little bit at the time. Just make sure that your batter is neither too thin nor too thick. You want for your batter to have about this type of consistency. If your batter is too thin, it won't stick properly to the cauliflower. And if it's too thick, then it won't get crispy and the cauliflower won't cook all the way through. It's just gonna taste bland and boring. Next we chop 4 cloves of garlic for the sauce. And we also slice 3 to 4 scallions. We're just gonna use them for garnish later. We're using the entire scallion, the white part as well as the green part, but we do cut off the roots and discard them. So now we can start the soy sauce mix. We add 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce and 1/3 of a cup of mirin to a bowl. Mirin is a Japanese rice wine. If you don't have any at home, you can also use sherry. You can use balsamic vinaigrette, or you could use masala cooking wine as well. Next we add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 3 tablespoons gochujang. Gochujang is a Korean chili paste, but any chili paste would do as well. And then you just whisk it all together and your soy sauce mix is ready. Now comes the fun part. We're gonna fry the cauliflower. First we dip the cauliflower in the batter. Not all of them at once. Maybe 5 or 6 pieces at the time, because we don't want them to stick together, because we want to make sure that the cauliflower is evenly coated on all sides with the batter before we fry them. Important here also, before you fry the cauliflower, make sure to let all the excess batter drip off. Next we put the cauliflower in our frying oil. We heated it over medium heat and we put the 5 to 6 pieces in, one at a time. Same principle, we don't want to overcrowd the pot. So we are going to fry the cauliflower in batches. We like to use our Dutch oven for this, but any pot would do just fine. So we fry them for a couple minutes. Once in a while you might want to check if they're brown and crispy already. You don't want to overcook them. Once the batter turns dark brown, you probably fried them too long. Once they have the perfect color, just use your slotted spoon to take them out. We put them on a paper towel. This way you can soak up all the excess fat. And we repeat the process with all the other batches until all the cauliflower is golden brown and crispy. So next we make the sauce or the glaze. We add a little sesame seed oil to a pan over medium heat. Then you add the garlic and cook it a little bit until it's fragrant before you add the soy sauce mix. While that heats up, we mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. We whisk it all together and we add that to the pan. It will help us to thicken the sauce. Just whisk it in well so that the sauce thickens evenly and you don't have any clumps in the sauce. So we transfer the cauliflower to a bowl and you can actually hear how crispy the cauliflower turned out. Now we take the sauce off the stove and we simply pour it over the cauliflower. Now you just mix it well so that all the cauliflower is evenly coated with the glaze or the sauce. And now we're ready to put it all together. Doesn't it look terrific? I guarantee you it tastes even better. First we transfer the cauliflower into a bowl. Then we sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. And we also sprinkle some scallions on top. Well, I think this is a really awesome recipe. The cauliflower really turned out nice and crispy, and the soy sauce glaze really gives it the extra kick. By the way, you can turn this appetizer into a full-size dinner. Simply serve it over rice. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like or subscribe to the channel. That would really help us out a lot. And if you enjoy cooking with cauliflower, check out this next video. Our no chicken kung pao is also a terrific recipe. Thanks for watching. Yours truly, Linda and Stefan.